A sharp rise in HIV infections among young people has prompted the Karnataka government to launch a major health initiative across colleges. According to Deccan Chronicle report, the Karnataka State AIDS Prevention Society, or KSAPS, along with Visvesvaraya Technological University and the Collegiate Education Department, has decided to conduct integrated health camps in engineering and degree colleges across the state. These camps will provide HIV testing and counseling for students. The move comes after a report by the National AIDS Control Organization, or NICO, ranked Karnataka third in India for the number of people living with HIV. According to the report, nearly 2.6 lakh people in the state are HIV positive, with over 2 lakh currently receiving antiretroviral treatment. What has raised particular concern is the growing number of infections among young adults. KSAP says HIV cases in the 18 to 35 age group have increased significantly, rising from around 44,500 in 2023-24 to over 66,600 in 2025-26. More than 7,000 people between the ages of 18 and 25 have been diagnosed with HIV. Health officials say the college-based camps are aimed at early detection, counseling, reducing stigma, and increasing awareness among students. KSAPS has urged all government, aided, private degree colleges and engineering institutions in Karnataka to cooperate with the initiative. Officials believe that timely testing, awareness and access to treatment are crucial to preventing further spread of HIV among the state's youth.